Natural light is more than just a beautiful way to illuminate your home. It's a mood booster, an energy saver, and a cornerstone of modern interior design. For homeowners in Auburn Hills, incorporating natural light into living spaces is a priority, especially with Michigan's seasonal changes. The right window solutions can transform any room, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere while adding value to your home. Let's explore how modern window solutions can help you maximize natural light in your Auburn Hills home. The importance of natural light. Natural light has an undeniable impact on our well-being. Studies show that sunlight improves mood, boosts productivity, and even enhances sleep quality. Beyond personal health benefits, natural light reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, cutting down on energy costs and lowering your carbon footprint. For Auburn Hills homeowners, who experience long winters with limited daylight hours, maximizing natural light can make your home feel brighter and more spacious, even on the grayest days. Modern window design. A game changer. Modern window designs go beyond traditional styles to offer innovative solutions for improving the flow of natural light. Here are some popular options to consider. Floor-to-ceiling windows. Floor-to-ceiling windows are a stunning way to bring the outdoors in. These expansive panes of glass provide unobstructed views and flood your living space with sunlight. They're perfect for Auburn Hills homes surrounded by nature or with scenic backyard landscapes. Bay and bow windows. These classic yet modernized window styles extend outward, creating a cozy nook while allowing light to enter from multiple angles. Bay and bow windows add charm to living rooms, dining areas, or even master bedrooms. Sliding glass doors and walls. Glass sliding doors or movable walls are an ideal solution for connecting indoor and outdoor spaces. These installations let in ample sunlight and seamlessly blend your interior with patios, decks, or gardens. Skylights and roof windows. Skylights are a fantastic way to capture overhead light, particularly in rooms where traditional windows might not work, such as bathrooms or hallways. Modern skylights often come with UV protective glass and remote-controlled shades for convenience. Enhancing light with glass innovation. Advancements in glass technology have revolutionized how windows function. Today's options allow you to maximize natural light without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Some of the most sought-after innovations include low-E glass. Low emissivity. Low-E glass minimizes heat transfer, keeping your home cool in summer and warm in winter, all while letting in plenty of sunlight. This is especially beneficial for Auburn Hills residents who experience Michigan's extreme seasonal shifts. Tinted or reflective glass. Tinted glass reduces glare without blocking light, making it an excellent choice for rooms with heavy sun exposure. Reflective coatings can also help protect furniture and flooring from UV damage. Double or triple glazing. Multi-pane windows provide superior insulation while allowing natural light to stream in. They are energy efficient and help reduce noise pollution, a bonus if your home is near Auburn Hills' busy areas. Choosing the right window treatments. Window treatments can significantly affect how light enters your home. Opt for solutions that enhance rather than block sunlight. Sheer curtain. Sheer fabrics diffuse sunlight, creating a soft glow while maintaining privacy. Motorized blind. Smart blinds can be programmed to open and close at optimal times, allowing you to make the most of daylight hours. Window films. These are a cost-effective way to manage heat and glare while letting light in. Some films even mimic the appearance of frosted glass for added privacy. Professional installation. The key to success. Proper installation is crucial to maximizing natural light. Gaps, drafts, or misaligned panes can detract from the efficiency and aesthetics of your windows. Working with a trusted local contractor in Auburn Hills ensures your windows are installed correctly and tailored to your home's unique needs. Why modern windows are a smart investment. Beyond aesthetics and comfort, upgrading to modern window solutions adds value to your property. Prospective buyers in Auburn Hills prioritize homes with natural light and energy-efficient features. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to elevate your living experience, modern windows are a worthwhile investment. Brighten your Auburn Hills home today. Maximizing natural light is a blend of art and science, and modern window solutions offer a variety of ways to achieve this. From innovative designs to advanced glass technologies, the options are endless. By working with skilled professionals and choosing the right features, you can transform your Auburn Hills home into a brighter, more inviting space year-round. Take the first step towards a sunnier home. Explore modern window solutions today and see the difference they make.